Hey, what's up? We've got some new things we want to show you today. First, you can now send your render straight from Chaos or V-Ray frame buffer directly into Vizmaker. And the point is pretty much simple. Get your FVB into Vizmaker and from there you can keep editing and take it all the way through post-production. And there is no more saving out, no re-importing. Your finished render lands in Vizmaker, ready to work on. Next, and probably my favorite, proper adjustment layers with masks. This is basically Photoshop inside Vizmaker. You can mask an object, then type or dial in a color. You can change hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, and color balance. Only what you mask changes, everything else stays exactly where it was. And because it is a layer, it is non-destructive. You can toggle it, tweak it, or throw it away without touching your render. This is the most useful edit in the whole update. Then, 3D generations. We've added Meshy 7 and it is even more accurate and precise than previous model. Cleaner geometry, more detail. You just drop in an image and it generates the 3D model from that. Then with the 3D bridge, it goes straight into 3ds Max or SketchUp. There is no more exporting and no format juggling. You don't have to manually handle files anymore. It just shows up in your viewport, ready to place, and you can just generate it in Vizmaker and work on it in 3ds Max or SketchUp. After that, you can now stack prompts using our presets. These are presets we have tested ourselves, so you're stacking things that already work. It is a fast way to add new ideas to your prompt or to your image and speed up the whole process. Instead of generating everything one step at a time, you combine them in a single pass. Next, the Revit plugin. We've added instant render so you can send your view and generate this image right away in one step. And you can set a prompt that generates more accurately for a specific project, so the render matches exactly what that project needs. And so if you work in Revit, this one is for you. And last but not least, we've added Seedance 2.5. And this is the most powerful video engine we have right now, and it lets you generate even more realistic animations. You can just take a finished render, turn it into a cinematic moving shot, a clip you can drop straight into a reel or a client presentation. And that will be it. Let us know in the comments what do you think about it, and if you haven't tried Vizmaker yet, give it a go with a free trial. See you in the next one.